Hi Dress It Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Gale from Elemental. So let's get started. To draw cute Gale, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, very close, so say about right here, and draw another circle. I know in the original, Gale has really small eyes, but I just want to make it extra cute, so I'm making her eyes bigger today. There, so now I have two circles in, but we still want to put them close together. Let's come back in, and we're towards this corner, we're going to draw another circle. And then inside, right in the center, we're going to draw another one. And if you have enough space, just put in another circle in the corner and then shade it in for a highlight. But if not, just shade it all in. It doesn't really matter. And then from there, let's do the same thing here. So on this corner, because it's so small. And then one right in the center once again. And then, you know what? Let's just go ahead and shade it in. There, and then when you color, the color of Gale's eyes is right in this area. From there, let's go ahead and spruce up our eyes with these lashes. So I'm going to come up. We're going to draw one thick one, kind of like an eyeliner, one thick one, and then one bottom one right here that curves into her eye, and then I'll just shade it all in. So same thing here, one thick one, and one that just kind of follows her eye shape, and then shade it all in. From there, we're going to draw her brow. So I'm going to come above, say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve, and then I'm going to make them bushy. So I'm just going to zigzag my way across. So same thing on the other side, about right here, curve, and then zigzag across. Then she has this very pointy nose, right? But because we're looking at her from the front, we're just going to go ahead about right here, just draw an oval. There. Then let's give her a big smile. So let's see, let's come above, like a little bit past her eyes. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and start a curve that comes down. And then we're going to go down and come up a little bit and then round it off there, and then just round this off and connect everything. There. So I'm just trying to make this side a little bit thicker than this side. But if you're not comfortable drawing this mouth, you can always just give her one big smile. Just draw a big curve across. From there, let's go ahead. We're going to give her some teeth. So on the top right here, I'm just going to kind of wobble my way across. Just go all the way across. And then I'll put in an indication of a tongue right here. And you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in black so you can see everything a little bit better. I know it's like a dark burgundy color, maroon, but we're simplifying it today, so I'm just going to shade it all in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her poofy face, her head. So let's see here. I'm going to come to the top of her brow because we wanted that high, say about right here. And so same thing here, top of the brow, about right here, same thing. I'm basically going to draw my usual dumpling shape, but it's going to be very wobbly. So I'm just going to wobble my way down. Sometimes giving it a curve, maybe a bigger curve. Just want to make it nice and soft like a cloud. And I'm just going to bring it down under her mouth. So just a nice soft curves and just connect it. There. Okay, so then from there, if you're not comfortable drawing this wobbly shape first, you can just go ahead and draw the usual dumpling shape and then go over it with the wobbles. Okay, let's bring this up a little bit more because we need to draw her poofy hair. So now that we're above her brow, I'm gonna come about right here and I'm just gonna just draw 3 curves. There, 3 curves, and then from there we're gonna go up. So let's go up with this, and I'm just drawing a mound of clouds here. So I'm just gonna go one big one towards the top. Some smaller ones, bigger ones, and then just bring it in. There. I just want something nice and soft looking at the top. Just round this off a little bit more. Let me pop this one out just to even it out a little bit. So definitely go in and make any adjustments you need. Okay, so then from there you can also come in here if you like and just draw some curves here and there. Or you can do this when you're coloring too, so if you don't have these harsh black lines. But it's just to give it some texture so we know that this is very soft. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her body. So I'm going to come about right here and here, centering. And I'm just going to simplify everything and draw a soft curve down. So just end about right here for her shirt dress that she's wearing, and just connect it there. Then from there, since we're down here, let's find our center. So about right here, I'm going to come down a little bit and just draw a soft curve. From that curve, we're going to come this way, wobble, and we come right here and just wobble and give it a slight point. So I'm making her legs go this way, just so that she looks like she's like in the wind. The wind is blowing the cloud. There. Okay, let's just give her legs some movement. And then for her arms, let's come back right here for her shoulders. Nice, simple hands. And I'm just going to bring down a curve, tiny little wrist. And about right here, I'm just going to put in a little curve, angle, and connect. She has these tiny little hands. So we're going to do the same thing over here. And about right here, bring down, curve, and then pop it out, wobble, and angle. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see here, we can decorate her shirt. So let's put in the word wind. I'm just going to simplify and just put wind. But if you like, of course, you can write the whole word, which is windbreaker. So I'm just going to quickly draw in these letters, wind, and then maybe just draw some clouds to decorate it. A smaller one here. And I believe there's like some lines, maybe to make it look windy there. And then I'll add a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Gale from Elemental. I really hope you love how she turned out. That helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.